Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem involving algebra and factorization, a fundamental topic for beginners. Here is the problem. Suppose 4x plus 9 over x equals 6. Find the value of 64x squared minus 729 over x to the power 4. Before we dive into the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper, and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share your answers in the comments. Then we explore the solution together. Let's get started. From the given equation, we can modify it into a quadratic equation in x. To do this, we multiply each term by x to obtain 4x squared plus 9 equals 6x. Now, we rewrite it in the general form of a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In this case, we do not directly solve for x. Instead, we observe that the equation can be rewritten as follows. Then, we multiply both sides by 2x plus 3, and it becomes 2x plus 3 times 2x squared minus 2x times 3 plus 3 squared on the left hand side, which simplify to 2x power 3 plus x power 3. So 8x power 3 plus 27 equals 0. And hence, x power 3 equals negative 27 over 8. Now, squaring both sides, we get x to the power 6 equals 729 over 64. Thus, 64x to the power 6 equals 729. And so, 64x squared equals 729 over x power 4. Finally, the desired expression 64x squared minus 729 over x power 4 equals 0. This solves the problem, and the answer is 0. While we have successfully solved the problem, it's always beneficial to practice what you have learned. Using a similar method as shown just now, I believe you can solve the following question. Feel free to try it and share your answers in the comments. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more exciting math challenges in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.